bitches was looking for me. Bitch, here I go.
Hey, TT Dolls. Happy Friday. Today is the 2nd. It's Friday. I just left the gym, not to work out, but to cancel my gym membership. Well, actually, I went there to cancel it. Y'all don't judge me. I look like crap. I just finished working from home. I got off at 11:30 this morning, and I had to go put some air in my tire. And I went to the gym, which I'm still in the parking lot or whatever. And yeah, I went to cancel my membership, but the guy was like, "Oh, you got such a good membership," because it is. I could go to any gym, and it's $24 a month to go to the gym, any gym, LA Fitness. And right after I left out the gym, they got a Dunkin' Donuts in the same parking lot. That's crazy as fuck. So I got me an iced coffee with whipped cream. So fattening. And I got me a jelly donut. Fat girl. How could I do that? And I just canceled my membership. But good news is, actually I ain't canceled it. I suspended it. I put it on hold. But the good news is I have a gym in my apartment complex. Not that I'm ever gonna go and work out over there. But yeah. I'm gonna show y'all. Look at my damn camera. Every time I hit a bump, because the roads are so bumpy in Georgia. But I'm about to go to my apartment complex, and I'm gonna show y'all the gym over there. It's not big, it's kind of small or whatever. But yeah, what y'all doing for the weekend? Me, I don't think I'm gonna do anything. I think I'm just gonna go relax on my couch, probably order me some good food, and just make it a movie night. Oh my God. I guess I gotta hold my thing. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna make it a movie night, guys. And you know, cause I gotta get up early and go to work tomorrow. But you know, in Georgia, this is like illegal. You cannot be holding your phone. But my phone keep messing up. Dang, you don't see my glasses? Okay, there we go. Let's see. So yeah, I was thinking if I should go by the pool, because I never went to the pool. And in Georgia, they closed the pool. The pool only open from like the end of spring to like the end of summer. Oh my God, this is so good. Guys, I haven't been vlogging because I haven't been doing anything exciting. I haven't been out in a minute. I don't go shopping like I used to because I'm trying to save money. And I want to move from these apartment complexes because I do not like them. Like, they want their rent money on time, but they so slow to fix stuff. If I have a problem, it takes, like the last time I had a problem, it took them 4 weeks to come fix something in my apartment. And I really told them how I felt about it. I was not happy about how long they came to fix my issue. And I told them that. So, I don't know. I'm here now. I'm about to go ahead and pay my rent. Today is the 2nd. I'm paying my rent. It's due before the 5th. And I'll talk to you guys later. So guys, the rent office is closed. I guess the lady's doing a tour. She's showing people around. So I'm just letting y'all see my apartment complex. I never come over here though. I guess that's the, what is this though? What the hell is this? How this look like a basketball court, but it ain't got no damn net? I swear, I am really moving when my lease is up. The beginning of the top of next year. And then I guess I need a code to get in this bitch. So this is the pool area over here. Just the pool. Yeah, this is the pool area. I bet this back door is locked too. I promise y'all I'll show y'all the gym. Oh. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Yeah. So this is the rent office. And they offer drinks. This is they have 2 restrooms. One for employees, one for guests. And this is the gym. So really, it's not a big deal that I suspended my gym membership because I can always come in here and work out. This is me, y'all. Looking crazy. But they got weights. The treadmill. And the, what is that thing called right there? The, elliptical, I guess. And then this is a door to get out from the gym. And this is the pool area again, out there. So I guess you could bring your kids and work out and watch them while they're in the pool. But this is the overall view of the gym in my apartment complex. And I only came in here and worked out like twice. Probably like twice. Hey dolls. Guys, I just came back from paying my rent, and of course I had to complain to the rent people about my neighbors. I hate to do it, but them people be up all time of night. They got a baby that they don't put to bed. The baby be running. All I hear is little baby feet. Like 1 and 2 o'clock in the morning. That shit is annoying when you have to get up. And I don't know, this baby be running hard. Because you know in Georgia, they be building these houses out of, it's not concrete. I don't know what it's called, but it's damn near wood. And I just can't take it. Like, it's just so loud. And they dirty. They throw things off their balcony. And like, it comes down and it's like in front of my house because I'm on the bottom. And all this trash, I see Pampers, I see chips, I see backwood paper. Like, before they moved in, and they just moved in. Before they moved in, things were good. But now, it's terrible. I'm like, okay, I want to be happy at my home. I'm paying rent just like everybody else. I don't want my environment to be dirty and fucked up because these hoodlums, or however you said, came and moved in and they got shit all screwed up. It's just terrible. It's disturbing. It's aggravating. But anyway, enough of me ranting and complaining. So I'm about to go home and I'm about to take me a shower because it's so goddamn hot out here. I took a shower this morning, but I need another one. And even though I've been out for like maybe not even an hour and a half, but it's just so damn hot. I cannot wait till the fall comes. I love the fall. I don't sweat as much. It's just nice. I just hate the winter. It be cold as hell here in Georgia. I hate it. But I'll deal with the fall. I'll put a sweater on or whatever. You know, a light sweater. Or even a heavy sweater. But the winter, man, you gotta put on coats. You gotta layer up. You gotta put on all kind of socks and leggings and that's just not my shit. That's not my shit. That's too much. So, guys, I don't know. I ain't got really shit to talk about. Hey, guys, I'm home. My friend Angie is here. She's trying to get me drunk, y'all. Look what she brought over here talking about take some shots. Shot. So, I'm just here. We just chilling, doing nothing. Watching Kevin Hart on Netflix. That's your mom? Yeah. Oh, where you heading to? To take my shot. This not a shot, this a drink. Huh? The Mexican boy, oh, we coming. And she was just gonna go and not call nobody. We coming. What she do? You put this in this? Nah, I was just drinking. Oh. I got another one. Cause you know I don't know. But do you add that? It's a chaser. You add it to that? No, I just use it as a chaser. After I drink it. Can I just put it in there? You can if you want. It's sugar free. No sugar free, don't taste it. She talking to me, Mom. Tawana. Hey, girl. Why you didn't invite us? More importantly, why you didn't invite me? I know, right? What you mean we still come? That don't sound like no real invite, do it. Covington and where? Because I want some tacos. The one on Canola? Oh, well, that's good. Mexican. She fucking with me, y'all. She said I should have been a Mexican because I love tacos. Oh, she's scared. Oh my God. Her mom just pulled up. She scared the shit out of me. But this is the restaurant. It's the Mexican. What is it called? Las Colinas Mexican restaurant. That's where we're going. So this is us. This Angie mom.
I mean, I didn't even have to get in on the expressway.
I look so plain, y'all.
I phoned you and done stuff.
God.
And then made a turn.
I ain't seen you move this fast in years.
You know, I need a little pep and stuff, you know what I'm saying?